Hello class, Mrs. Stone here. The problem I found online today, they gave us like a couple triangles that join together. As you can see, they got a couple things that will help us out solving this. They gave us an angle, and then they gave us another angle. The other angle is 7x plus 6. But they told us a couple key things, okay? See these double lines here? They mean that these two are equal, okay? So line DC equals AC. DC equals AC. That's kind of important because when you have two lines that are equal, that means the angles opposite them are equal. So angle D equals angle, I'm going to write the angle sign. I like that. Angle A, okay? Well, half of angle A, okay? Half angle A. Angle A divided by, well, it's, I don't want to say half angle A because it really isn't. It's like the left-hand side of angle A it equals. That's probably a better way to put it, okay? Because then you got the other triangle you're dealing with. But that tells you that's going to be the same because you get these two dots. See these two dots here? They mean that those two angles are alike. Okay, that's how they're signifying them. Okay, sometimes they'll draw little curly lines like this to show that these are equal, but they didn't. They put these two asterisks. Okay, so hey, let's figure this out now. So we know inside a triangle is 180. They gave us, so we know that is 180. They told us that that angle here is 40. Okay, 40. So that means we got 140 left. Divide by 2. I'm going to divide by 2 this way. It's 70. Okay, so this angle here is 70. And this angle is 70. And now, because we have those asterisks, that means this angle is 70. Okay, so now, the fact that we have these double lines here, that tells us that this angle is equal to this angle. So these are both equals, okay, equals. So that means we can figure this out. We know inside the triangle is 180, okay? So we know 180 minus 70, we know 70, okay, 70, that's 110. So that tells us 110 equals double what the 7x is. So what's that, 14x? 14x plus 12. That's double it, right? 7x, let's write it up here so you can see it. 7x plus 6, twice 7x plus 6 equals a 12, positive sign, and 14x. That's how I got it. Okay, I just did it in my head, but that's how you would have got it. Okay, so now, hey, let's solve this. So we subtract 12 from this side, and what we do to one side, what do we got to do? We got to do to the other side. 12. So we get 98. 98 equals 14x. We divide this side by 14 because that's 14 times x, so the opposite times is division. So we divide by 14. What we do to one side, we got to do the other side. That tells us that, let's see, 14 goes into 98, 7 times 7 equals x. So our answer is x equals 7 degrees. And that was it. Let's square this off so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is 7. Okay, and that was all there was to it. But see, by just knowing the few of the simple rules, when you see those double lines, that means those they're equal. And opposite angles from equal lines are equal too. Okay, so they're both 70. And the same thing worked on the other side. So opposite, that means that angle in there is 7x plus 6. And then you just solve doing a quick algebra formula. Okay? And that was all there was to solving this problem. Okay? But you just got to know these little rules. Okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and help my YouTube ratings. If you know any students in school, please share this with them because they're going to see this on tests. And hey, if they know what those little double lines mean, they'll be able to solve this type of problem, okay? And they'll get 100 on it, okay? And that's what the main idea is for students to get better grades, okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.